The FLIR DM285 Industrial Imaging Multimeter with IGM. The powerful all-in-one multimeter and thermal imager for fast inspections of electrical, HVAC, and mechanical systems. Every place your job takes you, there are problems to find and electrical system failures to troubleshoot. You need one tool to help track problems to the source, take accurate measurements, and keep you safe. Introducing the FLIR DM285 Industrial Imaging Multimeter with IGM. This digital multimeter will help you streamline inspections and resolve complex electrical system issues. The integrated thermal camera, with its 160 by 120 resolution sensor, helps you see what's hot and guides you to the precise location of a problem. Then, scan for hazards without direct contact. Target the trouble spot with the built-in laser, and rely on proven FLIR multimeter test functions to diagnose the issue. The DM285 simplifies your work too, with onboard storage for thermal images and electrical measurements. Or connect with MeterLink to the FLIR Tools app to upload data to share with your team. It's all housed in the rugged, drop-tested design you've come to expect from FLIR. The FLIR DM285 Industrial Imaging Multimeter with IGM. The powerful all-in-one multimeter and thermal imager for fast inspections of electrical, HVAC, and mechanical systems.